We all groan when an advertisement interrupts our chosen video content, but what if you were getting paid to watch? Believe it or not, several sites actually pay you to watch ads, previews, and other content, including movies and TV shows. Although it won't make you rich, watching online videos in your free time can earn you gift cards and extra cash that might help you stash away some savings. In this video we will be discussing 10 ways to earn money just by watching videos from your couch. Welcome back to another episode of Colorful Finance, your #1 channel for the best tips and tricks to earning a passive income, from doing surveys to selling books on Google Play. We provide you with theoretical experience in our videos, and practical experience with the tools we provide you in the description. This channel will inform you on making the best decision to earn money in your free time. Remember, earning money isn't about becoming rich, but creating a better life for yourself. Subscribe to the channel now if you enjoy this type of content, and hit the notification bell to never miss any of our latest videos that we upload. Let's get started. 1. Inbox dollars. Get paid up to $225 a month to watch viral videos. It sounds crazy, but watching videos whenever you're just chilling on the couch can earn you up to an extra $225 every month. Getting paid to watch viral videos is a real way to earn cash, and you can do it with a company called Inbox Dollars. Since the company was founded in 2000, Inbox Dollars has paid its members more than $59 million in cash. With an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and plenty of great reviews on Trustpilot, Inbox Dollars is a legitimate site that will pay you to watch videos online. Inbox Dollars has a variety of videos in different categories available for you to watch on its video channel. You'll be able to see how much you can earn before watching, anywhere from a few cents to a few dollars, and you can watch as many videos as you want. Inbox Dollars makes money from big companies that want you to see their content and shares a portion of the earnings with you. As you watch more videos, you can earn virtual scratch-off cards with hidden cash prizes. Once you earn $30 in your account, you'll be able to cash out via PayPal, select gift cards, or request a check. 2. MyPoints. MyPoints is a reward site that's been around since 1996. The company has an A rating with the Better Business Bureau and thousands of excellent reviews on Trustpilot. With MyPoints, you can use your account to earn rewards when you shop, on top of coupon discounts, take online surveys, and play games for points, and of course, watch videos. To earn points watching videos with MyPoints, you'll need to complete a playlist of videos. You can earn on-site with your computer or rack up extra points when you use the MyPoints mobile app, which is available for both Android and iOS. You can earn up to 500 points per day watching video playlists. The value of each point depends on the redemption you choose. 3. Swagbucks. Owned by the same company as MyPoints and Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks is a popular rewards program that was founded in 2004. The company has an A rating with the BBB and thousands of excellent reviews on Trustpilot. Swagbucks lets you earn points for shopping at partner retailers, searching the web, answering surveys, and watching videos. It's paid its users more than $434 million, and it gives out 7,000 gift cards per day. Users can choose to cash out via PayPal or redeem their points for gift cards. 100 Swagbucks equals $1. Swagbucks notes that some committed users have earned over $10,000 on the site, but casual users tend to earn $25 to $100 in extra cash each month. Although it won't make you rich, Swagbucks is a legitimate way to earn free money from many of the activities you would do anyway. 4. CashKick. CashKick users can get rewarded for watching short videos, taking surveys, downloading and playing games, signing up for services, and completing other tasks on their computer or mobile device. The payout for each activity varies, and users can choose to cash out their earnings via PayPal once they have $10 in their CashKick account. With CashKick, you also have the option to refer friends and earn rewards. When a friend signs up with your referral link and completes tasks on CashKick, you'll get a 25% commission on their total earnings. If you have friends or family who are eager to earn extra cash in their spare time, making referrals can be a great way to work toward the $10 payout threshold. 5. Netflix. If you're looking for a full-time opportunity and have skills in categorization and a love of film and TV, keep an eye on job openings at Netflix. Netflix hires a small number of lucky editorial analysts, also called taggers, to essentially tag their content, so it appears in the right categories and gets pulled into the right rows on your home screen. That means watching hours of movies and TV could be part of your job. For example, the company recently had an opportunity available for someone who speaks Spanish and has a passion for Latin American content. The first responsibility? Watch, research, rate, tag, annotate, and write analysis reports for movie and TV content. Sounds like a dream for someone who loves to binge-watch new series. 6. Fusion Cash. Fusion Cash is another rewards website that makes money from advertisers and shares some of the profit with its users. You can get paid to take surveys and search the web, earn cashback for shopping, and get rewarded for watching videos and listening to the radio. Once you have $25 in your Fusion Cash account, you'll be able to cash out via PayPal account, direct deposit, or check. There are no fees to access your money. In addition to the extra cash you'll earn from watching videos, you can earn a $5 sign-up bonus and $1 to $5 in referral bonuses for each friend who signs up. 7. iRazoo. iRazoo is a rewards program founded in 2016 that provides users with points for trying out apps, completing surveys and offers, playing games, and watching videos. iRazoo has more than 50 channels of video content to choose from. You'll watch mostly ads, app trailers, movie trailers, short films, movie reviews, and cooking tutorials. Once you get 3,000 points, you'll be able to redeem them for a $5 gift card or $5 in PayPal cash. After you choose your reward, you'll have 30 days to use it before it expires. 8. Viggle. Launched in 2012, Viggle is a rewards app for Android devices that allows users to earn rewards for watching TV shows and listening to music. The app has more than 7 million users, who have redeemed more than $19 million in rewards. Viggle lets you earn points for watching TV shows and movies on your favorite streaming platforms and live TV just by checking in with the Viggle app. Users get a point per minute for watching shows or listening to music through the Viggle app, plus any bonuses. Featured shows can earn up to 15x the points. You'll be able to redeem your points for PayPal cash, a prepaid debit card, or gift cards to more than 200 retailers. Keep in mind that the reviews on Google Play are mixed, with many users citing glitches, but Viggle is a legitimate app that may be worth trying out. 9. Grab Points. Grab Points is a free mobile app launched in 2014 and allows users to earn points for activities such as taking surveys and watching videos. Grab Points has many positive reviews both on its website and on Trustpilot. When you watch videos on Grab Points, you'll earn points. You can choose from a variety of channels, so you won't have to watch videos that don't interest you. Grab Points will show you how many points you'll earn and how many videos you'll need to watch to earn rewards. Once you have 3,000 points, equivalent to $3, you'll be able to get PayPal cash or gift cards to popular retailers. Because there's a low threshold for redemption, and you'll be able to get your payout in 48 hours after requesting it, Grab Points is one of the fastest ways to make money watching videos online. You can also earn extra points for referring your friends to the program. 10. Nielsen. For more than 90 years, Nielsen has been tracking what samples of the population are listening to and watching in order to provide businesses with insights about how their content is performing. Nielsen is an S&P 500 company with operations in more than 100 countries. One of the ways Nielsen rates content is through collecting data on the behavior of Nielsen families, which are households that are selected to represent greater communities. You can't volunteer to be a Nielsen family, but if you are selected, you will receive gifts for participating. You can also sign up to be part of the Nielsen computer and mobile panel. To participate, you'll download software onto your devices. The mobile app is available for both iPhones and Android devices. From there, just use the internet and watch content as you normally would. There's no need to watch specific videos. You'll help companies improve their products, and you also can earn rewards and sweepstake entries. Nielsen gives away $10,000 each month. This concludes today's video all about how to make money from your couch. Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our latest uploads. Make sure when you're choosing which service to work for that you do a little research first to learn how people like it, and to avoid any scams. Instead of wasting time scrolling on social media or watching YouTube videos, you could be making cash. And the biggest perk of all? You can just plunk down on your couch with your device and start earning easy money online today.